whenever you're ready.
All right, autopilot on.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Gray Shot Down. I got alongside me a special guest, Tesla Winston. Follow on Twitter.
Hey. All right, moving up to this right turn. I mean, I wouldn't have gone to a complete stop.
No, especially with there not being anybody there.
Yeah. Got another vehicle up here.
So is this the first time you're going to be seeing this area from the air?
Yeah, I've never seen it from the air. Maybe on Google Maps. It was a little quick there going through there. I would have at least showed a little bit of caution.
For sure.
But yeah. So I've ridden my bike around here and driven around here a couple times.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a nice area, that's for sure. I'm gonna bump our max speed down to 25 just because it's a residential area.
Any favorite memories of the area?
There's a lot of garage sales around here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so we go around here every once in a while. Yeah, lots of garage sales.
Probably can just remove the next pin so we can continue the route, or just hit edit trip, and then just remove the top one. Sweet. Thank you.
Perfect. Looks like we're gonna cruise up here to the left. Okay. Whoa.
Aggressive left.
Yeah, exactly. It was routing itself around here actually.
Oh,
but
so
then it just decided to turn.
It was like, oh, I take the turn early,
yep,
right?
Exactly. Earlier the better. All right, got a right turn coming up.
We take the turn now, right?
In a second.
No, I was saying back there.
Yeah,
for the joke, yeah.
I
we
know,
take
right?
the turn now, right?
Because then it took itself a second to reroute, I think. Yeah, honestly, one thing I wish Beta would do is, I feel like it gets a little close to these cars that are parked on the shoulder. Like if I were it, I would, Beta can see taillights on cars. If I saw lighting in a vehicle,
you'd yield a little bit more.
I would yield a little bit more. Yeah, in the event that they're exiting their car, because we know Beta can see opening and closing of doors. Right, that was pretty cautious back there.
It was pretty smooth though.
Yeah.
I'd say overall smooth, yeah.
Yeah, except for that one.
Except for the little herky-jerky, but...
Yeah. All right, we got a right turn coming up here. I'm going to bet money it's going to slow down here and not come to a complete stop, but get pretty close to it. Yep. All right. That was pretty much a complete stop. Hit 1 mile an hour. All right. What's your altitude?
A few hundred feet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, this is where I would slow down. Yeah, just in case. Up here is a pretty interesting situation. There's a lot of cross traffic up here. These are just cords, so there's cul-de-sacs at the end. But right here is where I would start to slow down probably because...
You're talking about this road that...
This one right here? Yeah, I'm going to slow down because, I don't want to get T-boned.
Well, it's not that one that you're talking about, Winston. I think it's this one right here.
Yeah, this one right here, yeah. There's a white fence there that's covering it. Just got to be overly cautious.
I see.
I don't want to.
No worries.
All right, let's
and
see.
Ultimately, the whole point of the beta program is to make everyone that's using it feel comfortable with it, safe with it.
Yeah. Oh, we got some people on the road here.
Vulnerable road users.
Wow, that was interesting. I felt like it was coming in a little bit hot there. I would have slowed down a little bit. All right, let's see. Another pretty major street. It would be nice to see at least show a little bit of caution here because there could be other cars coming and other drivers you can't really trust anymore. People just drive and do whatever they want now.
What's local traffic laws on those roads since I'm not super familiar with the area?
It's a four-way stop, so you yield to the car on your right.
I see.
So you would slow down. That's like what I usually do. Slow down maybe like 6 or 7 miles an hour.
Is it posted though as a four-way stop, or?
Yeah,
or is it just assumed that it's a local?
No, it's an uncontrolled intersection. My bad. It's an uncontrolled intersection, so you yield to the car on your right.
I see.
So it's kind of like also on a who gets there first basis.
I see. So it's kind of one of those backcountry road situations that you need to
Yeah, it'd be nice if beta could show a little bit more, but overall, like, it handles that situation pretty well. It's pretty smooth compared to the last build I drove. Oh, we got a biker here. And a pedestrian. All right, let's see what it does with this pedestrian here. I don't know where she's going. Okay, she's cutting straight across. There's a UPS truck coming, so we can't go. But he's going to be turning right next to us. Okay, I don't know. We're clear. Okay, it's thinking. Oh Lord, that was pretty aggressive. All right, once we go, we're gonna head into this development over here. I'm gonna follow this pin all the way over.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna delete the pin, and it will route us back over to where we're supposed to go.
Sounds good. I'll just trust you to drive.
Okay, perfect.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you. Oh, what's it want to do? Okay, there we go. It was going to get in the turn lane a little bit earlier back there. All right. That was really good.
That was nice.
That was very smooth. That's very human-like. All right. It's interesting. It shows so much caution at this kind of situation. Like, it comes to a complete stop.
Yeah, versus the other ones.
Yeah, exactly. All right, I'm going to remove this pin. Done. Navigation complete. Okay, cool. It's gonna do a full circle here and then exit.
Cool.
So
it's like a bonus content route.
Exactly. That's nice. It didn't even turn its turn signal off. Okay.
A little herky jerky there.
Yeah, just a little bit. But wow. Still impressive a car like this can do that just with software.
Just the cameras.
Yeah, just the cameras alone. Alright, taking a left up here. Let's see if it shows a little bit more caution. There's a fence. Okay, so clear on the right, clear on the left. Like that was very smooth. Like I couldn't even tell, like, if someone was new to riding in a Tesla, I don't think they'd be able to distinguish the difference between beta and the actual driver. Okay, complete stop.
I've noticed that doggone sci-fi actually when we're just out and driving these days.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's saying that the other day she was thinking that beta was on and I was actually driving.
Oh.
So
yeah.
To your point, yeah, no, it's absolutely true that.
Exactly.
It's getting pretty good these days.
Yeah. All right, let's see. We got to go straight here. Subaru up on our left. We need to start creeping. Okay, there we go. Okay, wow. It could not see that. It just went for it. Luckily, we had enough time there, but it just...
There was a gap, right?
It just sent it. I don't even know if it saw it or not. Interesting, the beta depicts this as it's making its own solid white line here. I'm gonna bump our speed down to like 20 here just because there's a lot more cars and people around. Okay. Got a little bit confused with that Toyota sticking out.
I see that.
All right, should be making a left turn, not here, but at the next one. All right, let's see. Just got to double check before. Okay, good and good. We do have a car approaching. I'm going to wave them on because I just want to see what the beta's going to do. Okay. Okay. I'm pressing the accelerator. Got a little bit freaked out with that other car. Kind of thought it was a four-way stop.
Coming up on our destination in the parking lot, right?
Correct, yes. And it should drive us through the parking lot for a little bit, so we'll see.
Some parking lot interactions.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks like it'll just take us to that parking spot over there.
Yep. Looks like we're following this white van in. Coming in. That was really smooth. Did you see how it kind of slowed down for that uphill? Nice. You know, it's not just like, so you're hitting it at 20 instead of, you know, there's a big difference between 20 and 13 miles an hour. Turn signal came on a little bit early there, but the earlier the better. Okay. Just a little bit jerky. Okay, let's see where it wants us to go now. It's probably just going to stop us in the middle of the road. Okay, putting its turn signal on. I'm curious to see why did it put the turn signal on? Probably because their destination's on the
Yeah,
left.
probably.
Yeah. So we'll disengage here.
Well, you guys, I'm Doggone Sci-Fi along Tesla Winston. Thanks for joining us on Gray Shot Down. Well, no, I'm not Doggone Sci-Fi. Becca's Doggone Sci-Fi.
You're Gray Shot Down.
I'm Gray Shot Down. Doggone Sci-Fi is my usual driver. Tesla Winston is the fill-in driver
Yes.
today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.